Do you want free speed on your next triathlon? There are easy ways and there are hard ways. With your race likely later this week, I'm going to show you the easy ways. This is going to be divided into two phases, a setup phase and an execution phase. First, we'll start up with the setup phase. The first tip will drop some time in your race, and as we move on through the video, you'll get more and more time saved. So stay till the end. First thing you're going to do is set up your transition zone in order. Put your helmet, sunglasses, socks, and shoes all in a line so that you can easily pick up each one. To make this faster, ditch the socks. This is going to save a lot of time. If you're an eager athlete to shave even more time, ditch the shoes. What you're going to do is you're going to hook up your shoes to your bike with rubber bands so they're in the optimal place for you to race. Before I give you the next time-saving tip, please shift this video into the next gear by liking and subscribing to my channel. It's easy, it's free, and you're awesome for doing it. Now that you got the setup, let's move on to the execution phase. There are several ways to get you on your bike faster than you already are doing. There is the standard way. The standard way is probably the way that you're doing it right now. There's the advanced way that goes something like this. Then there's the elite way going something like this. If you stuck around to the end of the video, thank you, and here's a bonus tip. Practice your transitions while you're out of breath. Because in a race, you're running in, you're trying to do this, and your heart rate is really high. So if you practice with the high heart rate in training, then you're going to do a lot better in the actual time. Thank you for staying so long. Here's a dad joke for you. What did the chicken say in a lettuce field? Chicken sees a salad.